I recently did a video about Abby Young's favorite hair care, what she recommends from the drugstore, and you know, it's my first YouTube video that's done well, and it was so exciting to read all the comments about different people who have the same hair type as mine, which is thin, fine, a little wispy. And I even got some comments asking for some more hair videos, which is blowing my mind. It makes me so excited. If you're new here, hey, I'm Catherine. I usually do makeup videos, but I am dabbling into hair care because I don't see a lot of people talking about their thin, fine hair. But today we're talking about hairstyling because I think this is the way to make your hair look just at its best, help it out. And guess what? It's probably gonna take you under 10 minutes. That's what's great about having thin, fine hair. You use less products, so you have to buy stuff less often, and it takes a lot less longer to dry and style. So we're going to be embracing those aspects of thin, fine hair. I'm also filming in my bathroom, which I'm not used to, and it is a very hot summer day, and I don't know if you can see, but there's no windows in here. So let's get this going. Now, I'm just using a hair curler I have had since I was 15 or 16. Works fantastic. I have it on setting 25. I have no idea what that means. I've just kept it there. Now, in the past, I have used this more like a curling wand, something like that. But I have been using the tong recently, and so let me show you. I usually take just a good section from the front, and I usually have to take larger sections, otherwise it just kind of falls through the clamp. Pull it like that. As you like see, it's kind of twisting out already. 2 seconds, boom. I sometimes alternate. I don't always do all my hair strands. Depends how you want it to look. I held that in a little too much, so give it a little tug to loosen that curl. I don't know, around the face recently, I've been really enjoying curling inward. I think the rule used to be curl outward around your face, but we do what we want. If I see like a part of my hair that has nice texture, I tend to leave it. See that curl there? That's pretty tight. It takes no time at all. Why? Because I got thin, fine hair. I did let my hair air dry today. I have a bit of a wave to it, a little bit of texture, a little bit of frizz. So I find that helps the curls stay a little bit. And it means I don't have to curl every single piece of hair. Do I want to recurl that? I don't think so. Okay, underneath bits, I just have this little strand. See, just like a little curl at the bottom. Let's recurl this. I don't even know if I curled it. The curling of the hair isn't really the most crucial part. It's going to be the hairspray and the hair oil that really sets this look apart, in my opinion. And then just pull it straight out. Now, I talked about this product in my Abby Young inspired drugstore / high-end video. I will link that in the description box below if you haven't seen it yet. This is the Oleplex Bonding #7 Oil. And let me show you, like, I don't use a lot. We do, there's 1, 2. So just a little on my hand there. And I like to really work it into my hand so it's not going to clump in my hair right away. It's almost like a pre-moisturizer for your hands. And then I just kind of like boop, 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 boop. Concentrate at the ends. I'm doing this without a mirror, so don't judge me too much. I do like to kind of clamp around these front strands so they get lots of shine and they look more slick. But I find that motion helps for my hair type, just clamping. Kind of work the oil into more of the frizzy ends here. If I blow dried it, it probably wouldn't be as frizzy, but this is how I usually style my hair, and that's what I wanted to show you. Now, I bought this from Sephora, I think last year. It's the main paddle hairbrush. It has these really nice like metal teeth. So when I brush my hair, sometimes I just give myself a little scalp massage I like it because it's wooden, metal, it's really easy to clean. I haven't cleaned it for a while. But now what I do is I just lightly brush out my hair. Because I want that wave. I don't want those ringlets. And if it looks like you've brushed it out a little too much, you can just like use your fingers to help guide the hair back into a curl. Then hairspray. I just use Garnier Fructis because it's like $5 or $6 at the drugstore. I'm on my very last legs of it. It smells delicious. Like it's in the air when you're spraying your hair, right? And it just smells like fresh air. It's not, don't breathe it in, but oh my God, it smells delish. Just do one last little boop. And then I spray my hair when it's separated like that. Don't brush it, don't touch it, let the hairspray dry. This is what I think can make your hair look kind of piecey if you have thin, fine hair and you're trying to curl it and you just get one ring, you know? It's not a lot of texture to the hair. I don't know, it's not what I want for my look. But if you brush it, you hairspray it, you let it dry, it's gonna just help keep your hair separated, each strand individual, and it's gonna help just keep that little wave in your hair. This is more casual, done up. Listen, if I wasn't talking, this would have taken like 5 seconds. It's so easy. And then to help like prevent that crunch, I just run it through again. The hairspray is still in your hair. You're not brushing it out. And then if you have any more hair oil on your hands, I like to just keep going. But that's how I get a really gorgeous wave to my hair, almost like a blowout, a little dupe blowout. It makes me feel confident in my hair and just helps it look its best. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am boiling. I need to get by the air conditioner. I hope you're having a great day and are doing something nice to give back to yourself. I'm gonna go finish my book. It was a goal of mine to finish it before summer was over, so I need to finish it, I think, today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. We're growing the community. Have a fantastic day. See you next time.